Fundamental computer the computer is an electronic device that accept computer is an electronic device that accept data from the user and data process data accept from the user and process it, produces a result, displays them to the user and stores the result for the future usage. Then there are four main equipments functions and computer system: input, processing, storage, and output. Input are the transferring of information into a computer system, data entry, processing the manipulation and the control of information data within the computer system. The central processing CPU, the brain of computing device, manipulation handled by the controlling unit, and the storage of the means can be permanently stored. This may be computer internal or external storage. The storage usually occurs on hard device, flash drive, CD, cloud. Output होची this is a process of producing result. Output control input होची the process input output processing storage. ALU होची latest high speed high storage diligence automatic accuracy versatility reliability multitasking no emotion. High speed accuracy storage capability diligence versatility automation convenience flexibility. History of computer होची in the beginning there was no computer to add a subject or the man used his finger. Abacus is known as the first mechanical calculating device. Abacus is known as a main calculating device. The main purpose of abacus was that addition and subtraction could be performed quickly. Abacus is considered one of the first mechanical calculating devices. The abacus was a manual counting tool used for arithmetic calculation. Napier bone. Abacus invented by John Napier. Used the bone rods counting purpose where the numbers were printed on them. With the help of those rods, one could do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division speedily. Analytical engine of the first computer. Analytical engine is the first fully automatic calculating machine was constructed by the Charles Babbage, who first the idea of advanced calculating machine to calculate and print mechanical tables. It was a mechanical device that took input from the user and from the punch card. ENIAC electronic numerical integrator and computer was the first electronic digital computer. It used vacuum tubes was capable of fast electronic digital computer. UNIVAC stands for the Universal Automatic Computer, which was the first generation proposed electronic computer within the large amount. First generation of computer होची vacuum tubes was invented in John A. Fleming 1904. The first computer used in vacuum tubes for circuitry and magnetic drums for the memory. The first generation of computer relied on the machine language, the lowest level program language understood by the computer perform operation. The input was based on the punch card and paper tapes. Output was displayed on printout. UNIVAC, ENIAC, IBM 650, EDVAC, EDSAC, BINAC or other examples. Second generation of transistor replaced by vacuum tubes. Second generation of computer still relied on the punch card for the input and printout output. Second generation of computer moved from the cryptic and binary machine language to symbolic and acyclic language. Third generation of computer, fourth generation and fifth generation of computer. Microcomputer is that uses a central processing unit for a physical similar mainframe computer, supercomputer, analog, digital, hybrid, embedded computer, laptop computer, handheld computer, PDA server, 200 fundamental computer MCU. Computer is an electronic device. Dash is the father of the computer. The first Microsoft processor was developed by 1970 by Intel. Intel द्वारा ही फर्स्ट माइक्रो प्रोसेसर डेवलप करा था. The personal computer PC is a micro computer. The man who built the first mechanical calculator was Blaise Pascal. Input output processing device grouped together present an computer system. Computer consists of central processing unit, memory, input output unit. Computer gathers data, which means that they allow user data. Computer gathers data, which means that they allow user to data input. dash is processed by the computer into information. Data is processed by the computer into information. तापर processed data is retrieved from computer with the help of processed data is retrieved from the computer with the help of output device. तापर information on the computer is stored as information of the computer is stored as digital data. The smallest unit of information computer can understand is known as BT. Any component of computer you can see and touch, that is hardware. Non-physical component of the computer referred as software. Computer use the number system to store data and perform calculation. Binary. Computer system includes hardware, software and peripheral device. Information that comes from external source and fed into computer software is called input. Which one of the following is there are characteristics function is a data collection, data processing, data storage. All of these. Fast machine to successfully perform the long series of arithmetic and logical operation was Mark 1. Dash computer introduced the idea a binary calculation, that is ABC. What was the first fully electronic computer in the world? What was the first fully electronic computer in the world? What is ENIAC? The first computer which used to store a program, it is EDSAC. Which of the following device used in the first generation? It is vacuum tube. The first generation computer could do batch processing. The first computer was programmed using machine language. The electronic digital computer contained electronic valves. The second generation, which type of memory was used in the storage data? Magnetic core. The IC chip used in the computer is generally made up of which of the among following? That is silicon. Silicon is a dash material, that is not a semiconductor material. CPU is the brain of the computer. Which of the following refers to the fastest and biggest of the most expensive computer? Super computer. Name the first general purpose electronic computer. सेटा ENIAC. Dash is second generation of computer. सेटा आमर ट्रांजिस्टर second generation of computer. Dash is used third generation of computer. सेटा आमर ये integrated circuit. Dash is the fourth generation of computer. एटा microprocessor. There are special designed computer chips here chips inside other drives such your car or your electronic thermostat. See, which of the following is not one of the major data processing computer? It is analyzing the data or information. The name for the way that computer manipulate data into the information called it is processing. Analytical engine was invented by Charles Babbage. Which of the following smallest computer? It is our laptop. Each of the computer have each operating system or application program. Primary function of a processor is to process data and information. Name of the first general purpose electronic computer. सेटा ENIAC. सेमती कंप्यूटर